Hi guys, lesson 43. It's and it's a very simple one, but it's important. So it's and it's sound the same but are spelled differently, and they have very different meanings, and it's crucial that you understand when to use each one. It's, the spelling its without the apostrophe, is possessive. It's a possessive pronoun. It means belonging to it. So Russia is known throughout the world for its great composers, ballet dancers, and writers. Here is our possessive pronoun, its, and it's possessive pronoun meaning belonging to Russia. Notice, no apostrophe. It's possessive. It's no apostrophe. On the other hand, it apostrophe s is a contraction, just like can't, won't, didn't, and it means it is or it has. The apostrophe takes the place of missing letters. So if you see it apostrophe s, you should be able to substitute in the words it is or it has. So it's not unusual for the works of Tolstoy and Dostoevsky to be listed among the greatest novels ever written. Here we have its, you can substitute in it is. It is not unusual. So when you see the apostrophe, or when you need to use the contraction for it is, you use the apostrophe. If it's possessive, no apostrophe. So read these two sentences. Let's decide which form of its we require. Basketball can trace its roots back to 1873. Can I substitute in it is? Basketball can trace it is. No, it doesn't even make sense. I can't even say it correctly. Basketball can trace its roots. This is possessive, talking about the roots. Whose roots? Basketball's roots. It's possessive. We do not use the apostrophe. It's one of America's favorite sports. In this case, we can substitute in it is. Baking banana bread. That was my timer for my oven. Sorry, it's not for you. It is one of America's favorite sports. We can substitute in it is. So we need the apostrophe form. Simple, but really important.